This is fresh salmon egg I got from Hunts Point Fish Market. Alright, fresh salmon egg. So I wanna show you today how to make IKURA, how to take it out from this IKURA from egg sac, and what kind of sauce I use. I'll show you today. Let's see. To take out egg, you need IKURA size mesh. Any kind of mesh is okay. Good mesh is I think you can get at the Home Depot, like a iron mesh, like size of egg size. A little bit bigger is good, not smaller than egg size. Alright, but I using this plastic container, has mesh on it. Alright, this one what I have. So okay, so comes out like egg sac, separation from egg sac. So open up the egg as much as possible. You can use a knife and scissor. So firmly push down and back and forth, and you can see how comes out. This is just separated from egg sac. Alright, this is the egg. So let's clean up, rinse out this egg. You will see a lot of white stuff, egg, broken egg and stuff comes out, and we gotta pick up some egg sac, like a debris, egg sac leftover. So you gotta clean up until clear water comes out. All the broken egg yolk need to clean up, and you can see all the broken egg membranes. Gently shake, alright? Gently, gently, gently. So I will use this container to final clean up. Slowly, water runs slowly. All the lighter stuff will go down. Alright? Gentle, gentle, gentle. This is the vegetable cleaned egg. So put on here, I just put on the salt. just for a second. You can see what the difference comes out. Any kind of cooking, salt is okay, no problem. So gentle. So give the salt. So you can see the difference once you put the salt. Look at this. When you put salt, basically IKURA changes. Basically, you became like tangled up. When you put salt, color is more beautiful. Became beautiful. You see? Did you see? Did you see what's the difference now? Now egg is basically very tenderized. So let's put like a couple. Actually, you can take it out right now, but I think 30 minutes. I'll leave like this with salt, and I'll wash out salt a little bit, and clean up final, pick up some debris of broken membranes, and I'll put in the like mirin and soy sauce. That's it. Alright. So 30 minutes pass, so I'm gonna rinse out some salt, because if you don't like to salt, just rinse out. So basically, if you like just the egg taste, you can just eat as it is with salt, alright? So let's put mirin on the mirin and soy sauce, alright now. This is the cleaned egg, and I put a little salt, and the meat became tenderized, alright? So let's put in the mirin and soy sauce, and that's it. Put in the refrigerator. So this is the mirin from Japan, alright? Japanese. You can buy at the Oriental supermarket. Okay. Basically, I put the mirin and soy sauce half, and it depends on your taste. You can put whatever you want ratio, alright? So just to make sure, egg is with salt first, and put the mirin and soy sauce, and put refrigerator maybe a couple hours, maybe one day, no problem. After that, you take it out and put container and eat with rice, biscuit, whatever you want. So let's put in the sauce, alright? Let's just put in the sauce. Put in the bag. That's it. Leave like this. Okay. Let's leave in the refrigerator. Let's cure more at the refrigerator with sauce. So I marinated this IKURA around 10 hours with soy sauce and mirin. Alright. So and let's take out from water this sauce, and let some dry up. So like this, and let's dry up a little bit at the refrigerator, couple hours. Alright. This is the done project. Because of this little black colors, because of, I see, soy sauce. I put a lot of soy sauce. If you like small red color, don't put the soy sauce basically. Alright.